We have two more guests arrived among us, and they are Remo Sam, a reporter from Prime News Chirang, and Hamed Sharma, president of Bijli Press Club. I would like to request Ma'am Hima to do the. Please give a round of applause. We have also Sir Vicky Mully. Ma'am, please do the honor of felicitating him. Please give a round of applause, please. Now we have reached almost the heart of the program. That is the real felicitation of our outgoing students. I guess all of them are very happy. I can see from here all of them are shining, and you can see my head also is shining because of deforestation. So to do the honor, I would like to call our beloved Chairman Sir, Principal, our Chief Guest, Ananda Wari, Kamala Kanda Basumatari, to hand over the mementos to the outgoing students. The names of the students I will be calling out, so kindly our outgoing students, please get ready. Please put on your dress. I know it is warm, let me not say hot. So we shall follow according to alphabetical number, starting with Alari Sona Brahmo, to be followed by Anamika Chakravarti, Anjali Swargairi, and Salim Mushahari. I don't know much of Assamese. I think Nafisa Begum can help me translate into Assamese what we are going to do. Please. Third semester student, please get ready with your mobile phone for taking photos. So shall we begin? Shall we begin? If I say hi, please say hello, okay? Hi! So soft. Hello! Hi! Hello! Okay. So we have a respected chairman sir and the team to confer to us to give the mementos. Now the first five that I'll be calling are Alari Sona Brahmo, Anamika Chakravarti, Anjali Swargairi, Salim Mushahari, and Ansumai Basumatari. Please come to the dais. And I request Chairman Sir, our Principal Sir, Chief Guest, Ananda Ram Wari and Kamala Kanta Basumatari to come over stage to hand over the mementos. Chairman Sir. I call upon Mr. Arun Chandra Musahari to be on the stage for the felicitation. Please give a round of applause, dear students. So I request two of our guests to sit maybe because we call one by one. We'll call again, sir. So I request Kamala Kanta Basumati to remain on the stage to do their honor. So the students who will be coming on stage will be, I request Alari Sona Brahmo, please come. Alari Sona Brahmo, Anamika Chakravarti, Anjali Swargeri, Ansuli Mushahari, Ansumoy Basumatari. Please come on stage. Please give a round of applause. The first batsman of the group. Next we have Anamika Chakravarti to be followed by Anjali Swargeri. Anjali, if you are around. Ansumoy is here. Anjali not reporting. Then we have Bhavita Daivari, followed by Beauty Basa, Beauty Basumatari, Bhadravati Basumatari. Please come on stage. Next is Ansumoy, she is Ansumoy. Bhavita Daivari, if you are around, please be on stage. Followed by Beauty Basa. To be followed by Bhadravati Basumatari and Bhavita Barwa. Please come. We start with Bhavita Daivari. All the names which I have called out, please come on stage. Srinivasa, Beauty Vasumatri and Bhadravati Vasumatri. I call the next felicitator in the person of Kamala Kanta Vasumatri to hand over the mementos and the certificates.
And I would like to call Manita Borua, Vijay Brahma, Vinali Bosmutari, Babli Bosmutari, Chitra Bosmutari, Christina Kisku, Clarish Narjari, Gahar Narjari, Dalini Brahma, Garbana Das and Dipshika Naha.
Thank you, Sir Ananda Ramwadi, for doing the needful for our students. Please give a round of applause for Sir Ananda Ramwadi. Now I call upon Sir Kamala Kanta Vasumatri to do the needful for our students. First we have Vijay.
First we have Vijay Brahma, Vinali Bosmutari, Babli Bosmutari, First we have Vijay Brahma.
Okay, absent.
Vinali Bosmutari. Next we have Vinali Bosmutari. Okay, she is also absent. Next, Babli Bosmutari. Oh, Bubli Bosmutari, sorry.
to be followed by Bahar Nazari. To be followed by Dalmi Bromo. Now we have Nalini Brahmo. Next, Nalini Brahmo. Narpana Das and Dirshika Naha.
Mamoni Bosmatari followed by Manisha Swagari. Manisha Swagari. Then we have Manushree Mahanayak. Manushree Mahanayak. Followed by Mijintha Bosmutari. Mijinti Bosmutari. Mijinti Bosmutari. Up next we have Navnita Sinha. Navnita Sinha, followed by Namita Doimari. Next we have Namita Doimari. Thank you so much, sir. You can now take your seat.
I call on once again one of the invitees, Ananda Ram Wari, to hand over the certificate again. And the names of the students to be felicitated are Namita Saikia, Nahami Bromo, Nayanmani Boro, Neharani Musahari, Neha Bromo, Niharika Pathak, Nizma Mahilari, Nizira Mahilari, Nisha Chaudhary and Nureja Begum. The following students, please do come to the stage. Once again, I call out the names: Namita Saikia, Nahami Bromo, Nayanmani Boro, Neharani Masahari, Neha Bromo, Niharika Pathak, Nizira Mahilari, Nisha Chaudhary and Nureja Begum. We have Namita Saikia. Next we have Nahami Bromo, followed by Nayanmani Boro, followed by Neharani Masahari, followed by Neha Bromo, Nizira Mahilari, Niharika, Niha Promo, Niha Promo, present. Followed by Nizira Mahilari, Nisha Chaudhary, and Nuroja Begum. Next in the list for the felicitation, the students we have Pallavi Parkeri, Pampi Bromo, Bhanu Boro, Pritishmita Kaulita, Priya Nath, Priyanka Narzari, Puravi Daimari, Richa Sharma, and Rukhibi Basumatri, Rasimai Swargairi. Sir, thank you so much for doing the honor a second time. Please give a round of applause. Please make line first so that we will not make our guests to wait. We have Pampi Bromo, Funo Boro, Pritishmita Kolita, Priya Nath, Priyanka Narzari, Puravi Daimari, Richa Sharma, Rukmini Basumatari, Rasimai Swargairi, Sandhya Mani Ramchiari, and Sankita Boro. I call upon Sir Kamala Kanta Basumatari for the second time to hand over the mementos and the certificates.
First we have Pampi Brahma. Pampi Brahma followed by Kumo Baro.
Pampi.
Pampi Brahma followed by Kumo Baro. Next we have Pritishmita Kaulita.
Now we have come almost to the end. We have only 6 students to be felicitated. I call upon Sumana Das, Sushmita Narzari, Swarita Swargayari, Saran Shri Goyari, Tara Basmatali, Violina Talukar. Sir, thank you so much for doing the honor of giving away mementos and the certificates to the students. May I call upon again Sumana Das, Sushmita Narzari, Swarita Swargayari, Saranshri Goyari, Tara Basmatali and Violina Talukar. Please look up on the stage. May I call upon our chief guest, Dr. Raman Kumar Bhuyant, Principal of Adarsha Vidyalaya, Dokuchi Kamru, to give away the certificates and the mementos. May I call upon once again Sumana Das to receive the mementos and the certificate. Sumana Das, absent. We have Sushmita Narzari. Sushmita Narzari. Next we have Swarita Swargayari. Then we have Saranshri Goyari. I hope I am pronouncing the names correctly. Then we have Tara Basmatali. Then we have Violina Talukar. Respected guests, starting from our chief guest, Chairman, Mr. Kanta and others, thank you for doing honor to our students giving out the mementos and the certificates. Dear friends, seniors and my classmates, we have come to the very most important event of listening to our chief guest speaking to us. I believe sir has come prepared and definitely he will inspire us with lots of thoughts and a lot of things to take home. Sir, the mic is yours.
Respected Chairman of this institution, Principal Sir, respected executive members, respected families, Gurumani academies, non-teaching, dear pass-out student, and dear pursuing student. At first, from my bottom of heart, I am going to give lots of blessings to our beloved Rajan sir. Everybody knows what he has done for his community and how he has done. I am very happy that myself, from the beginning of this institution, I am with him. I am with him. And still I am with him. The journey started from my academy. It was not easy. How many of you know about me? I do not know. But these institutions and the place Disney is a well-known place for me. Of course, only few members I met here today who recognize me, because time always running with the speed. So time is running. Here, maximum numbers of people today recognize me as a principal of Adarsh Vidyalaya. Yes, I am working now principal of Adarsh Vidyalaya. Coming to the point about your part, I want to share a few things here about these institutions. Maybe the person who enters here knows or not, I have no idea, but I know. How I know? Because Gurumani Academy won attachment with my heart only. Still I remember this academy. Wherever myself, I just remember Gurumani. When I got the platform, I am speaking about our Rajan sir. Why? Maybe you are going to think, yes, that's reason I know very hot, I'm not taking more time. But I want to share a few things, because 30 years of experiences in this field, teaching field. And for your information, I was the second principal in this institution. I was the second principal of this institution. And today, once again, Rajan sir recalled me. That's why I feel proud. I think you have idea on what I do not know. I'm a busy person at present. I got almost all prestigious award from the state government of Assam, only to work for the field of education. I am a recognized person, but I have to do a lot. When Rajan sir called me, myself, I told, okay, I will be there. I have presentation today, also I have a meeting, but also I reach here 7:30 a.m. Your chairman is also sleeping. Your all persons are sleeping, but I reach here in 7:30 in Disney. Why? Because I like all of you and because I like Disney. And one thing I want to say here, maybe my student, maybe not able to recognize, I was not a principal here for Royal Academy only. I was the vice principal your Holy Sari Academy also. Here is the prestigious school, senior secondary now. In my time, the I. Susmatan was the principal and I was the vice principal. I am working here. So the big announcement, and see the how God is thinking about us. Even up to 6 months months ago, my son also came there as a sub-divisional assistant manager in electricity board in business sub-division. Akash Bayal. He came here, and he worked here, and he told me, brother, you told about business, but I know business. What you told, then different. You told meeting, but business is a fantastic place. He was working as an engineer in aviation. Before 6 months ago, he transferred, and he stayed here. Myself, all persons from the beginning, Business House. Business House, he stayed here. Now in Durbi subdivision, Durbi subdivision, he is now NGO. So business is a nostalgic for me. I like business, and I'm very happy that Rajan says, challenge he overcome, lots of challenge, lots of obstacles, lots of odds. He faced, but he stand. In that time, I think after Bogazar Government DELED College, in BTAD, I think this is the second DELED college, if I not mistaken, maybe. But I just remember in that time, Boroda University just told our Rajan sir to design the DELED curriculum also. And Rajan sir told me, sir, I don't know what to do. Then I told, don't worry sir, I have a person. I invited NCRT Director Utpala Gaur, here in BC. I invited Dr. Sushita Katoti, Head of Park College in BC. And we stayed more than 2 weeks in Boroda University under the leadership of your Rajan sir. And we designed your BA course, what course you are now studying. So this is the legacy with Golden Academy from my side. I'm very happy that now this institution is standing all over as a #1 institution. And I will pray God that near future it will shine more. But the thing is that we are producing professional qualities person here. So many persons they got convocations. Maybe few of you already engaged, but few of you going to be engaged. But the major thing is that about the quality, what you will be and how you will be and what you will do for the society. Rajan sir part, along with the Rajan sir guidance, done it here. You got the degree, you good marks. I know you will get the job also. But after getting job, I saw when I get sometimes few candidates in different platform after completed BA, after getting job, they are showing different attitude and mindset. It should not be like that. You got the job, you got the professional qualification only because of your talent, your talent. If you got the job as a teacher, do it, implement it. Yeah, then society will be benefited, state will be benefited, country will be benefited. But after getting now, if they are going to forget about punctuality, if they are going to forget about the dedication, if they forget about your duties for the societies, then all these professional courses will be useless. My dears, you got these professional qualities, but when you face few interviews, I am very unhappy, but I want to share here in front of you only. Last month, July, I got appointment from Government of Assam for one big interview, which I was a panelist. So many students, so many candidates came for that interview, and I was a panelist from here also student I met. For different parts of Assam I met, but when I asked preliminary question, they not able to reply. They do not know what is micro teaching. They do not know what is lesson plan. They do not able to speak lesson plan is essential or not. They do not know lesson learning. They do not know pragmatism. They do not know project method. They do not know. But their answer is 91%. 92%. BA got 91, 92%. I really shocked. If your percentage is 91, 92, then at least you should have a little bit knowledge about this professional course. But no idea. But they are coming for a job. It should not be like that, my dears. Do not talk, listen to me carefully. This professional course not only make you teacher, you can make yourself different profession also. After 10 years, you can apply education service, maybe DO, maybe BO, maybe IS, maybe IPS. But the subject there and the knowledge and the subject content knowledge should be with all of you. Then it is possible. And after getting teacher job, what we are doing nowadays. Thousands of teachers appointed by the government. Look at the position and status of the government school. Look at the position and status of the government school. Government is doing their part very sincerely. No single paisa is essential for the job nowadays. Last month BJ, graduate, postgraduate appointment happened. So many of you got the job. But why? After getting job, you are not able to change the position of government school.